Deathkarts Customs out here on Thursday, 2 nights before the shootout, putting new valve springs in. Got the new one in already, new retainers, new locks, new seats, new retainers, new seals, new springs that look identical to the other springs, new locks down in here. So I want to thank Aaron Mick at Cams. He's the one that really made this happen. I called him yesterday morning. He overnighted parts just to get them to us today so I could work on them tonight. So we're hoping that I can make it to the shootout. Well, we're not hoping. It's going to go to the shootout, and if it bends push rods, we're going to keep throwing push rods in the holes until we get a pass that we like, and then we're going to do something else when we get back home. But don't get it twisted. I will blow this motherfucker up if we get the chance. All right, let's get to work. All right, guys, driver's side is almost done. Got these two left. These back here sucked because there was just no room. So, but I wanted to show you something real quick that I noticed. Had these 3 pieces of spring down in the head, and looks like it busted off the bottom of this one. That was on the intake spring of number 5. So pretty strange. I mean, that's 3 pieces of broken spring there. It's pretty important. I haven't seen any of the others have any damage, but we'll see. All right, we're gonna keep on working. We're getting closer. Whew, holy crap. This little one right here, this first one, gave me a headache. I mean, like, it was hard, but these are all done. I'm gonna throw the rockers on and the cover, and then spark plugs and cool packs on that side, so we're finished. All right, guys, let's talk push rods. Okay, so let's put these in order. So we have a factory push rod here, okay, yoo-hoo, that is actually heavier than this push rod I bought thinking they were hardened. So basically 2 shitty stock replacements. Let's talk about this bad boy from Comp. You can see the difference. Little ball on the end, so it's all machined one piece. Oh, it's a Comp Cams Magnum. Woo! 7639 Comp Cams Magnum. I don't know. It's what Mick told me I needed to run, so that's what we're doing. And we're fixing to throw them in on the driver's side here, put the rockers on, valve cover, and throw the coils on. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh, it's 1:08 on a school night. Whew, I'm really tired. And we have a kickball tournament tomorrow for the children's shelter. I really need to go to bed, but I've only got 2 more left. Just those 2 back there, but they're gonna suck. So all these are done. I mean, I really have about an hour's worth of work left, and I just don't know if I have it in me. So I've been laying down in the seat of the old truck for a few minutes, trying to regain my composure so we can get to this. So I'm gonna knock these 2 out. I hope I don't drop one of the lockers. That's what scares me the most. So anyways, I'll let you know. Bye. All right, guys, that is it. We've got passenger side valve cover on, driver's side valve cover on. Everything is in the truck. Well, nope, except spark plugs, and I can't do it. It is now 2:19, so I'm going in and going to bed. So subscribe to the channel. Oh, that's funny. Bubble wrap. So subscribe to the channel to keep up with what's coming, and hopefully we'll have some 13-second passes for you from Stanley on the next video. Hey, all right, thanks a bunch. All right, guys, a couple hours later, 5 hours later, Steven's out here. He got the spark plugs put in for me because I could not do them. So let's go ahead and get it moved outside so he can work in here today.